Ever found yourself stuck in a loop of hiccups? A hiccup is a reflex starting with your diaphragm. When it gets irritated, it contracts suddenly and your vocal cords snap shut, causing that hic sound. Triggers can be anything from eating to fast to sudden excitement. But how do you stop them? Most remedies work by resetting that reflex. Try holding your breath to increase carbon dioxide, which can relax the diaphragm, or sip a glass of cold water slowly. Some people swear by a spoonful of sugar to overwhelm the nerves. These tricks interrupt the hiccup signal, giving your body a chance to reset. If your hiccups last more than 2 days, though, it's best to see a doctor.